Hi, my name is Mark Stipic. I'm the work cover guy. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm answering the question, what is a common law claim? Common law claims are something that, look, any worker's entitled to sort of explore whether they are eligible to go through a common law claim, but typically they're reserved for your long-term, quite serious injuries. You generally don't see a common law claim coming into the picture until about 2 years after the injury date, usually for someone who's still got an ongoing incapacity or is potentially unfit for work. The process with a common law claim is that basically a worker will engage a solicitor. They will first need to demonstrate that they have a serious injury. So they've got to go through an assessment and try and obtain a serious injury certificate. Now, a serious injury is one where the person has a 30% whole person impairment or greater. Once the worker has obtained that serious injury certificate, and that's a process that's arranged by the insurer, they then can go through a common law process where basically the lawyers are appointed to the worker, lawyers are appointed on behalf of the insurer/employer/work cover scheme, and the two basically present their cases as to the worker is basically suing for damages, for loss of lifestyle, for loss of future earnings. So their solicitors will be preparing a case about how much the employee's life has been affected and how negligent the employer was, and then it's up to the solicitors on WorkCover's side to prove otherwise, to try and prove that it was a safe place to work and that the employer wasn't negligent, and maybe there might be evidence that the worker's lifestyle hasn't been affected as much as they claim it was. At the end of the day, there may be a lump sum payment made to the worker to resolve the matter. Most of the time, these issues are resolved. They're settled on the steps of the courthouse. But that's effectively what a common law claim is. Just to clarify, it is a legal process basically between the injured worker and the insurer or the scheme, okay? So the payments are made through the work cover claim. So just a message there for employers. If you get this stuff saying it's, Smith versus my company, they're not necessarily suing your company. Even though it's your company that's named, it's going through on the work cover claim. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for tuning in. Please let me know if you've got any questions for me.